in the area as well. Right now, we have some breaking news in New Jersey. Governor Chris Christie has lifted the statewide travel ban that was put into effect last night at 11 p.m. The governor now joins us on the phone. Governor Christie, good morning to you.
Chris, good morning. How are you?
Good, thanks. I assume when you woke up, like the rest of us, you were a little surprised that the totals weren't as high as we had anticipated.
Yeah, I was. You know, given the forecast we were getting from National Weather Service as late as 9 or 10 o'clock last night, still predicting accumulations of, near 20 inches of snow in good parts of New Jersey. But listen, that's good news. The fact is that it'll help us to get our state up and running much more quickly. We've lifted the travel ban throughout the entire state, worked in coordination this morning with Governor Cuomo to make sure that we did that in a way that didn't create unintended problems in either state. And we're going to have rail service on New Jersey Transit after we get done with our mandatory federal inspections, excuse me, later this afternoon. We have light rail service on the Hudson-Bergen line. We'll start at 11 o'clock. Our New Jersey Transit bus service is already beginning on a modified schedule. So we're getting things up and running here.
It seems like this was a first, this travel ban across the two states. What do you think going forward when you look at what we did end up getting in regard to snow totals?
Well, listen, Mary, it's always hard. I think the only way Governor Cuomo and I can make these decisions is based upon the information we're getting from National Weather Service and our advisors. And so based upon those things, I think the travel ban was a prudent thing to do. You always want to err on the side of protecting human life when you're in positions like this. And so, we did what we thought was best based upon the predictions we were getting. And, you all were in the same position. You were broadcasting those same things. So we're all kind of, slaves to the idea that, you need to go with what the professionals are predicting. But listen, from my perspective, the good news is we didn't get that kind of snow, because if we did, it would be a much, much longer dig out for the people of my state.
Governor Christie, thank you so much for talking to us this morning. And, science says one thing, Mother Nature will do what she will do.
This is true. And Governor Christie also said he spoke with Governor Cuomo earlier today about lifting those travel bans in both states. The governor is speaking right now, and let's listen.
So there were variances within the New York City area, but basically less than predicted, which was good news. Long Island was much harder hit than the New York City area, 16 inches on Long Island. Suffolk County is still getting hit very hard, and Suffolk County is where we have serious issues. The track of the storm as it moved north, Suffolk County is the far end of Long Island, Montauk Point, and they have significant issues and continue to have blizzard-like conditions, 12 inches of snow, 14 inches of snow.